this is Herbalism in Ceremony, February 2021. And they come with lots of sheets on how to use this box. Dark rose tea hearts. I love hearts. I'm excited to see what that looks like. For me, I really appreciate as much material as I can get. With anything to do with the craft, it just seems like there's so much information out there and it can feel easy to kind of get lost. I just want to open up one of these. Oh, this is cute. Little heart shape. Oh, that smells good too. I'm definitely going to use that. Okay. Might be jewelry in here. Let's see. Time in Garden of Roses. Oh, okay. Okay, it's a little salve. That's nice. I wonder what it's made with, like if it's wax or, like beeswax or soy. And I'll just leave this out. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes because it really tells you how to use everything in the box. Especially if you feel a little overwhelmed with herbs. This is prosperity oil. A lot of times you can put this on your candle or just on your wrist right before you do spell work. Just depends on what your focus is. Magical spell cards. Okay. It looks like these are cards to help you with casting spells, which I'm very excited about. Go back. A little bag with drawstrings. Looks like this is something that you can use to strain. I bet it's for these dark rose tea hearts. Oh, I love hearts. It's like a crystal quartz. Oh. And, some candles to do spell work. Green cucumber candles. Another bag to strain your herbs with. All right. And that is Herbalism and Ceremony for February 2021. Thank you.